Hello guys, today we are gonna learn that how we can create the animated video in the Flow Google in a few minutes. So let's go to the ChatGPT and I'm gonna just say one paragraph. You can put anything you want. So it's just a small, I create the prompts and let's copy this first one and go to the Google Flow and create a new project. And new project you can just have to paste here and you can just enter, so it will create a video for you uh, up to 5 to 10 seconds, and then we are going to, in the continuation, we can create the few more videos up to the 1 minute. So here you can see the video and let's see what it comes up. Okay, so that is perfectly fine. So let's go to the another prompt and let's copy this one, and it will ask you what happened next. So if you paste over here and okay, so here's the video total comes up. So perfect. So this is what I want, and let's go another copy the third prompt and just paste over here. So this is the third video, and let's play this out. Here the cat comes and they are smiling. They are going to play as well. It's in the continuation. So this is perfectly fine what I want. And I just put the one paragraph and then created a lot of prompt for me. So now you can also put here and you can continue to create the videos, and you can just download over here and you can uh, download separately clip by clip, and or you can create a simple one video together.